Hi there, it's Shell, and welcome to day 16 of our December daily. These days are just flying by right now. I don't know what's going on. So let's just do a quick flip through for those of you who haven't been following along. So this is my December daily. I made it with some greeting cards. If I had it to do all over again, I would probably make sure I had more room. Because I guess I like adding bulk. So anyways, it's getting really thick and we're only halfway through. So day one is this really cute cartoon, and I will link, at the end of this video, I will link a playlist for all of my videos. So this is day one. Day two is here, and I just made some watercolor cards. Day three is the grandbabies Christmas with Santa, picture with Santa. It says right there. Day four is 4 things I love about December. And day 5 is all the Christmas movies I've been watching that I'm adding to when I watch a new movie. Day 6 is a watercolor card, a little snowman. He's so cute. And day 6 down here, I did a couple of little journaling cards. Day 7 is this beautiful, stunning landscape picture, and that's a sunset picture, and that's in our area, so we did see that. And just a little picture of watercolor painting. Day 8 is my Christmas list. Day 9 is my honey and I made some jellies. Day 10 is all the wrapping paper I'm using this year. 11 is my honey's got his new glasses. Day 12 is a collection that I have. So this is my Boys Bear collection. Just my Christmas Boys Bears. I have over 100. And let's see, day, 12, 13 is just some old recipes that I want to try. Put those in there. And day 14 is, we went to my friend's house and had some lefse, and she also made ham and broccoli and stuff like that. This is day 15. We didn't have a lot going on, so I just made a little journaling spot that says what I love about Christmas. And we are now on day 16. Now day 16 we didn't do a lot either, but first I want to show you what my swap partner gave me. Gave me this really pretty bag. I'm sure I'll be saving that. And then look at this beautiful fabric. Isn't that so pretty? So it's just like little postcards and Paris, and then she also had this beautiful lace wrapped around it. So I thought today it would be kind of fun to use some of this lace and some of this fabric, because we didn't have a whole lot going on. Sorry, that's my cat in the background. I try to tell you what's going on in the background because I had somebody who commented that how the kids crying in the background was disturbing. Well, we don't have kids, and what she was actually referring to was our goats and our chickens. So I thought maybe I should, you know, kind of mention what's going on in the background, just so we don't have that understanding. So I'm just going to rip this down. It is on the selvage, but that doesn't bother me. And I just thought this would be so fun to use. And because I really love this little snowman, so let's just see what I can do. Maybe I'll do like a fabric flip. And I've done fabric flips before in my Junk Journal Basics videos. And I will be revisiting that series as we decorate up our journal. So, and see, there's the selvage, but I'm just going to keep it on here because it doesn't bother me. And I have noticed that it takes forever to use up fabric in junk journals. And we have tons of fabric, and I use little bits and pieces here and there, and it still takes forever. So I'm going to make this into a flip. I'm just going to put some of my art glitter glue here. And usually I would have sewn this on, but since the pages are already sewn in, I'm just going to glue it. And then I want to use some of this really pretty lace. Isn't that beautiful lace? So let's see what I can do with this. I'm going to go ahead and try to do a whole section of it. And I think that is so pretty right there. So let's see if I can kind of glue it so it kind of gathers. And I think this art glitter glue works really well on fabric if you're not familiar with it. You have to hold it for a little bit, but as soon as it starts drying, it really does seem to catch pretty well. Maybe not this time though. Okay, we're gonna just do something different. Maybe I just don't have any patience right now, I'm not sure. So let's put a lot of art glitter glue down and just put some there, and maybe it'll go through the holes and glue it down. So we didn't do a lot on this day, but I have started a new crocheted item, and I am doing a doily out of this material. This is a snowflake that my husband made, and so I thought I would put that in here to kind of, you know, remind myself of when I started the doily. I did write it in my book also, and I've been working on it for a couple of days, and it's really fun. I really like, you know, just crocheting up something because it doesn't take that long to have a completed project. Well, it takes about a week, but sometimes I make, you know, huge projects. Like if I'm knitting or something, I might make a sweater, and so I do something that's not as intensive as a sweater would be. So I'm just going to tie this so it doesn't come unraveled. And just cut that off. But my husband's really been making a lot of doilies right now. He loves crocheting, and he hasn't been able to do, you know, tons because of his arthritis in his hands, but he's feeling better, so he was able to do that. Okay, let's see how I'm going to do this. I kind of want to glue it down, so I think I'm going to put a little spot there, and then kind of hold it down and put the little snowflake pieces, glue them down so it looks like it's been stretched, because I didn't stretch it. And it will glue down really nicely. So we're getting close to Christmas. Yeah, less than, let's see, today is the 17th, but this video is for the 16th. But as of today, we only have 17. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 more days. 8 more days until Christmas Eve and Christmas Day. You know, it's just like this month is just flying by. During the summer, each day seemed like it took forever. I don't know if it was the heat or we were so busy or what, but And you would think that it would fly by more during the summer because we are so busy during the summer and not so busy during the winter. But man, it's just, winter is just flying by. Which we've been busy too. I've been doing all these videos and my husband's been doing a lot of work. He keeps looking for more work, so he keeps us busy, which is nice because this time of year we don't make very much income. Isn't that pretty? I love that. So I think what I'll do later is I'll lift up my little fabric flip and maybe I'll journal underneath. But, you know, it's just not that big of, you know, we just didn't do very much. Also, I almost forgot my number. So I think I'm going to put number 16 there or maybe down here. I think I'll kind of lift up my fabric flip and put it down here. But I just love this little snowman. I was so glad I didn't have to cover him up. I just think it's really sweet. So snowflakes, beautiful material from my swap partner, 25 Days of Christmas swap partner, and a beautiful little snowflake. Thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure and hit that subscribe button. Give this video a thumbs up. It really helps out my channel. And come back for our next video. Will be December Daily, Day 17. Thanks for watching, and you guys have a wonderful day.